Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect smart thermostat to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi correctly. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by gathering all necessary equipment. Ensure you have your smart thermostat, smartphone, and Wi-Fi credentials ready. First, download the manufacturer's app from your device's app store. Open the app after installation. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Next, locate the option to add a new device. Follow the prompts until you reach the Wi-Fi setup step. At this point, confirm that your smart thermostat is powered on. Now, access your home's Wi-Fi settings. Make sure you are connected to the 2.4 GHz network. If your router has both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks, it's crucial to select the former. Return to the app and select your 2.4 GHz network from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password accurately. Double-check the password to avoid errors. Next, follow any additional instructions provided by the app. Your smart thermostat will begin the connection process. This may take a few moments. Once connected, the app will notify you of the successful setup. Finally, test your smart thermostat by adjusting the temperature via the app. Congratulations, you have connected your smart thermostat to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.